Thank you, NUMBUZIN, for supporting my skincare journey. I had really bad hormonal acne in the past, and it's products like this that's helped me. This is the Rose PDR and Collagen 2x Plumping Serum. Amazing with collagen shots, okay? Here's your vitamin concentrated serum. Yes, you need serums, honey, to keep your face nice and juicy. Now here's my girl. This is how you're gonna get your peptides in. I love this girly too. She is going to be your NAD, PDR, and glow boosting toner, y'all. Oh my gosh. If you have bags under your eyes or dark circles, this is gonna be your girl right here. This eye cream, don't miss. And lastly, we have these cute toner pads. Black Friday sale. Products are worth it.